Good morning students, class 8. In my previous video I had explained you how to find out the area of a rectangle, square. Okay. Now today we will discuss some more things. Just for example, I am just saying polygon. Okay. So which kind of figures are called polygon? So polygons are those figures, they are actually simple closed curves, okay, which are formed of the line segments only. Means क्या होते हैं polygons? These are the simple closed curves. First thing, okay. Second thing, they are formed of line segments only. See, the first polygon is triangle. It is formed of how many sides? 3. And then we can say of 4 sides we can take any quadrilateral. Okay, it is having 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. In the same way, of 5 sides we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is called pentagon. Okay, it is a triangle. It is quadrilateral. It is pentagon. In the same way, hexagon, octagon. These are all the polygons. Okay. Okay. One more thing. If I will talk about polygons, then 2 things I can say: convex polygons and concave polygons. So what is the difference between convex and concave polygons? See, in convex polygons all the diagonals are inside of the figure, okay, but in concave at least one diagonal will be in outside. This is the main difference between convex and concave polygons, okay. In this all the diagonals are okay within the figure, but in concave one diagonal will be at least outside the figure, okay. And now we will see the exercise 14.2. Okay, now see question number 1 of exercise 14.2. In this we have to find out the area of the rectangle whose length and breadth are given to us. As for example, we can say question number 1, if I will say first part, okay, area of a rectangle, the formula is length into breadth. Length is given to us how much? 6 centimeter, and breadth is 5.4 centimeter. Always keep one thing in mind, that if I will talk about rectangle, it is having length and breadth, okay. Length is larger than breadth. Always keep this thing in mind. So 6 is more, so it is length, and 5.4 will be breadth. So what we have to do? We have to just multiply it. 24 and 32.4 centimeter square. Don't forget to put the square, okay. In this way you have to do part B and part C. Now come on question number 2. In question number 2, find the area of the square. Means if I will talk about question number 2, if I will take first part, I have to find out area of a square. So what is the formula? Formula is side into side. And square we all know that it is formed of 4 sides and all the sides are equal to each other, okay. So it is 5.3. So we can say 5.3 into 5.3. So what we have to do? We have to just multiply it. 3 3 is a 9, 5 3 is a 15, 5 3 is a 15, 5 5 is a 25 and 1, 26, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 2, 8, 0, 9. After decimal, 1 digit is here and 1 digit is here. Means we have to put the decimal before 2 digits from the back, and answer will come in centimeter square, okay. So students, complete question number 1 and question number 2, all the parts in your fair copies. In next video we will do the further questions, okay. Thank you.